Today morning I was wondering, what should I talk about today? And while I was thinking about it, I got a message on my WhatsApp. Someone wishing me a happy Simplicity Day. I was a bit taken aback because I'd never heard about it. And I said, wow, there is something that is called as a Simplicity Day. That got me thinking into how much fulfillment does simplicity give and how simple people are or are not. So my mind went to this lady who's going for a function. She's all decked up. She's wearing a heavy outfit and she's wearing heavy jewelry and she's got some kind of a bridal makeup or stuff done, makeover done. And the moment she comes home back from the function, the first thing that she wants to do is just get rid of everything. She wants to get back to her night clothes, her comfortable wear, maybe pajamas and t-shirt, which would be run out of color. This gets me thinking, what really gives peace of mind and fulfillment as you be at home is simplicity. You know what does this indicate? This indicates that what actually has you be comfortable in your skin is simplicity. If you look, any kind of a drink or a beverage that you have, till the time you don't have water, your thirst will not quench. No matter what you eat, any kind of a fast food or anything else, till the time you have that simple food that is made at home at some day, it will not give you satisfaction. The fun, the peace of life lies in simplicity. Does that mean that people should not be otherwise? No, it doesn't mean that. Enjoy that, cherish that, but also get that you don't need to keep on running after it. Happiness doesn't lie over there. If you think having some kind of a property, some kind of money or some kind of a facility is going to get you happiness and have you enjoy life, maybe up to some extent. But after that, you would yet want to come down to simplicity. There is a saying that goes that with money you can buy a good, comfortable bed, but you can't buy sleep. You can buy sleep, you can get sleep once you're sorted out here. That's a simple state of mind. So here's my invitation to every one of you. Enjoy life, cherish life, but don't run after things. Keep your life simple because that's where your happiness lies. Let's stand and always stay in the fashion that will never go out of trend. And that fashion is of being simple.